My name's Jason Bushell. I'm the superintendent at Rose Bay Golf Club. I've been the superintendent here for the past 10 years. Rose Bay is situated in far north Queensland, about 4 hours south of Cairns. Our Ventrac fleet at Rose Bay here includes two 4500 prime movers, a set of reels, a contour deck, a 72-inch side discharge, a blower, a corer, a trencher and a power bucket. I'd describe the Ventrac as a half tractor, half mower I suppose, a multi-use machine, a range of uses, plenty of power. It does so much work out here. It goes out every day. It does probably the most work out of all our equipment. The range of attachments are never ending. It's probably the most used machine in our fleet. I think our first one's done nearly 1,000 hours in 12 months. I'd recommend the Ventrac to anybody in our industry, from golf courses to sports fields, schools, councils. It's just such a versatile machine with all the uses. We just get so much use out of it. It's just a real solid investment.